Okay, so today we're going to have a quick look at this 2022 KTM 890 Duke. The engine's running at the moment. .890cc parallel twin. Really cool LCD dash on these bikes. If you know about KTM, they actually own White Power, so this has White Power suspension, KTM branded brakes. They're a really cool naked monster style, like a stunt bike really. Similar to an MT-09, street triple, just with a KTM attitude. If you get that kind of thing, this one might be for you. This is a 2022. It's done just over 3,000 kilometers, so I think 3,400 on the clock. Very nice, tidy trade-in. You know, being only a year old, it's got balance of a factory warranty. Pretty cool bike, nice and clean. Give us a call, send us an email, get in touch, Facebook message, see it on Trade Me. We are here and keen to do a deal.